Hello, good afternoon everyone, how are you all doing? My name is Adil and welcome back to another video. Now I've been wanting to put this channel update together for a while now and just simply haven't had enough time to do so, but I finally managed to take some time out and get this channel update ready for you guys. I mean, even this channel update video was meant to go live over the weekend, but obviously that never happened, did it? Now the problem is, well, actually it's not a problem, it's more of a blessing to be honest, but being at work elsewhere full time, being a father of one child, and of course being a reviewer here right on YouTube, trying to get all those videos out with the deadlines, all that kind of stuff can be quite challenging in terms of taking out time to do what you have to do, and that's why my channel has been recently going downhill and not going up like it should have been. So time to change things around and see what we can do to improve things, make more videos, try to upload at least 2 videos a week, do some giveaways for you guys to give something back to you, and then finally the announcement I will make is going to be regarding a new channel and a new website I'll be launching sometime in the near future or in the far future, whichever way. It's time to go into a bit more detail and cover each of these points. So in terms of uploading videos, my goal is going to be trying to upload 2 videos a week, let's say every Sunday and Tuesday. Don't ask me why I picked those days, they just randomly popped in my head, although those may change depending on my schedule and stuff. But I will try and upload 2 videos a week for the meantime, and then hopefully gradually increase that to 3 to 4 videos once I make this kind of system where I can just easily make videos and take time out for everything else also. Now the second part is going to be most exciting for you guys, of course, that is where I'll be giving away 2 products every month. One will be for my top supporters and the second giveaway will be a random giveaway, the generic giveaway that, you know, everybody does and I do and I've done before and all that kind of stuff. And how these will work is going to be coming now. So first of all, to win the top supporter giveaway, you'll need to like, comment my YouTube videos, any tweet on Twitter, Facebook and Instagram posts, and share those, and the supporter with the most shares, tweets, likes and all that from all of my posts, videos and everything else I put up on social media will be selected. If there is more than one winner, or if there is more than one contestant, then I shall pick one randomly from those who have the most amount of retweets, likes, shares, comments and all that kind of stuff. Now that will be something for you guys to look forward to. The second giveaway will be a standard generic giveaway that I'll be doing internationally, so everybody has a chance of winning, which is pretty damn awesome as well. Now all of the products I'll be receiving in the month of June, I'll be giving about 2 of those away in the month of July. One will be the top supporter giveaway and one will be an international giveaway for everyone else. My top supporters of course will have the option of entering into both giveaways and have a double chance of winning. So if you want to be a top supporter having chance to win both giveaways, then make sure you are subscribed to my channel, turn those notifications on and follow me on my social media accounts linked below. Now the contest for the giveaways, for my top supporter giveaways I should say, starts right now. So if you are not subscribed, make sure you do subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on the chance of winning any of the future giveaways and this one that's running right now. So go and give me some love guys, then I can give you something back. So it's going to be fantastic. There's 2 things that I'm going to be doing going forward. One, I'm working on a new website which will have, you know, reviews on there, products I recommend, products that have good deals on, all that kind of stuff revolving around tech. So can't wait till that happens. It might be a few months till that kind of comes into place. And the second is going to be a new channel. Now I bet you're thinking, Adil, you can't upload enough content in a week on this channel, how are you going to manage with another channel? Well, that's why we're changing things around and that's why I'm gonna be badass. Well, that's it from me guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new to the channel, then make sure you hit that subscribe button, and why don't you turn that notification bell on so you don't miss out on any future giveaways, videos and channel updates, again if there is anything later down the line. And if you've done all that, then you may as well smash the hell out of that like button because it won't hurt me at all, although be careful when you're doing that because you don't want to break your hand and all that, it makes sense. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Be safe, stay kind, and I'll see you all in the next video later on.